Hello everyone. Welcome to a new podcast show. I am Olivia, today's host. Are you struggling hard with your cracked screen laptop? Over time this problem can get worse and also bring disruption. Then you need to find skilled technicians to quickly fix the damages. iTech Xpress is a leading place in this regard in Covina. Their highly skilled experts can offer a guaranteed laptop screen replacement service at a fair price. Their experienced technicians are popular for using genuine spare parts for fast replacement services with warranties. iTech Xpress also offers free estimation on cracked screen replacement costs. Dial 626-777-4747 and browse itechexpressinc.com to explore more. Thanks for listening to today's episode. I will be back soon. Until then, stay tuned for the latest updates.